It's alright, you can't go wrong. There's no wrong way. It's all good. Yeah, it's lovely. Yeah.
Good powder, Ben.
It's great. You need to get a bit of speed. Yeah, that's what I was saying. We're going to get quite hot. That's it. And now you've got a bit of speed, it'll be easier. Keep going, don't stop. And turning other people's tracks makes you go faster. Woo! You're tired, yeah?
Already. I'm not wearing that many layers in comparison to how much I usually do.
Yeah. Yeah, you see, because it's quite sticky snow, you kind of need a bit of speed. You ready to smash it, Tom?
Yeah.
Just go. I was going to try and go backwards. I was going to try and do one of those cool turns. Nice, eh, Sarah?
It is so much easier than these.
Yeah. Oh, I missed it, Sarah.
It's still scary.
Ha ha ha.